Heather versus Emerjun versus Carlos.
Bago pa man ang pagkahanda for the knockout rounds, kinausap muna ni Coach Bamboo ang kanyang top 9 artists. Para sa rehearsals for the knockouts, mapapanood ang teen artists ng kanilang mga ka-team. Unang sumalang si Emerjun dahil sa isang emotional na performance noong battle rounds, siyang piniling manatili ni Coach Bamboo.
Emerjun, anong kanta pinili mo?
Sorry po, by Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Gusto ko po kasi mag-focus dun sa word na sorry. Gusto ko pong ialay yung word na yon para sa pamilya ko. Nagsasorry ako sa kanila dahil sa pagiging gay ko. Tanggap naman nila ako, pero sa tingin ko kasi mas magiging masaya kung may Bruce kong MR.
I hope I don't run out of time. Can someone call a referee? Cause I just need one more shot at forgiveness.
Ano mo lang, yung timing at yung delivery lang. Ganda lang sana kung on the money ka din.
Hindi man pinili ng megastar coach, pinag-usapan at ginamit ng power of steel ni Coach Bamboo si Heather dahil wala man dugong Pinoy, pinakita pa rin niya ang galing sa kantang Tagalog.
Hello, Heather.
Hi.
What's the song choice?
Crazy by Gnarls Barkley.
Okay. And why did you pick Crazy?
It's kind of different compared to what I'm used to and what I'm usually like doing. So it kind of like puts me out of my comfort zone, which I'm excited about because it's like a challenge for me. That make me crazy. That make me crazy.
I just want you some way to pop out, right?
Yeah.
That's the challenge there. Like, your vocals have to pop from the beginning, from the first line. So, yeah, go for it.
Nang nailapat ang sariling style sa anumang kantang ibibigay sa kanya, pinili ni Coach Bamboo ang mama's boy na si Carlos.
Carlos. Okay. Kumusta na?
Feeling great.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
At anong kanta pinili natin?
No Diggity by Chet Faker.
Pinili ko yon dahil, first of all, paborito namin ni Mama. At sumasayaw kami palagi every time that's on the radio. So, this is for her.
I like the way you work it. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, way, oh, way, oh, way, oh.
Gusto ko sana at certain points, bro, si emphasis at yung bato, yung, when you say, oh, yung mga ganon, mean it, you know? You gotta have a little attitude when you sing this, right? So bring that attitude as well.
Para maiayos ni Coach Bamboo ang pagkanta ni Carlos, dinala niya ito sa dressing room.
I like the way you work it. I like the way you work it.
Naghanap ako ng natural lang talaga. Na lumilipad lang once bumukas yung ilaw, marinig yung kanta, lilipad lang. At this point, kailangan lang pakita sa akin yun eh. It has to come from within na.
Gagawin kong lahat upang sa huli manalo. Bet mo yan?
Coach Bamboo should pick me for the live rounds because I am willing to put in as much effort to be able to exceed what I can do and push myself to the absolute limit.
Decide ako gumamit ng gitara. Ginawa ko yon kasi I want to win para to sa mama ko. Gawin ko lahat para lang manalo.
Heather versus Emerjun versus Carlos.